Friends, this video is about finding your Skype ID. By Skype ID, I mean the ID which you can share with anyone and through which they can start a conversation with you on Skype. So without further ado, let's start this video. So guys, all you need to do is come to your Skype, then here in the main window, click on the profile icon. So all these options are shown, and among these options select Skype profile here. Now here you can find your Skype ID by clicking on the share profile, right? So once you have clicked this, here is the link provided for you, which you can click and it will be copied to your clipboard. Now you can share this link with anyone. Like here it is saying connect with anyone by sharing a link to your profile, even if they are not on Skype, right? So now that I have copied this link, now anyone can contact me by using this link, right? So what they have to do is they can paste this link into their browser and hit enter. So now it is saying that this site is trying to open Skype. So I will say yes, open it, right? So as you can see, I have been redirected here, right? So guys, this is the method with which you can find your Skype ID and then share it with friends and other people, and then using this ID they can reach you on Skype. So this is it. Thank you.